Guys, we're out here at EIT, and today's Quality Minute we're going to talk about concrete testing and when the truck shows up, kind of the things you got to look for and items you got to do. So first, you'll get the ticket from the truck. If you can see it there, you got to check on the time that it was dispatched. So it left the plant at 10:15. Typically, you have about 90 minutes from the time it leaves the plant to get the truck dumped out. Past that 90 minutes, we have to reject the load because it's been sitting and the aggregates have been separating for too long. So that's the first thing we need to look at, is the time it left the plant and the time it arrived. Then you look at your mix number. So right there we have our mix number, your total yards. Check that, and then underneath that all the other additives and surcharges from Ozinga. But the main thing to check is the time that it left the plant at and the time it was loaded up at. So those two are your hot items on your ticket. Right now we got our tester here. He's testing the slump right now on the cone. So he places the concrete in there and rides it with a smooth dowel, and then pulls it up and measures the slump down for our slump test. We need that slump at 4 inches on this one. Plus or minus an inch.
That's at 6 3/4.
And here we're doing an air test. So there's concrete in the cylinder, fills it up, and then puts pressure on it to see how much air content we have in our mix.
4%.
What is it?
4.
So we just let the truck sit for a couple minutes. We're going to give another retest here of the slump. We're thinking it might have been just in front of the barrel. So we let the truck sit for about 5 minutes. So here goes the next slump test here. As you can see, it looks like the concrete has definitely set up a little bit. We're going our test here. We're at right at about a 4 1/4.
Yes, sir. 4.
I would say we're good. We can roll the truck right now. So now the next step in this process is he's going to make his cylinders. We're going to store them here on site in this cooler over here. They're going to pick them up the next day. And then we're going to have our brakes. We do 5 cylinders right now, so we'll see what those brakes come back after usually 5 or 7 days, sometimes 14, and then 21 days or 28 days with a spare if needed.